Hello again, squad.
Hola, chicos.
We actually were just recording the outro for the last video.
Now we're recording the intro for the new video.
Yeah, so this video is really cool. It shows our little day in the wilderness.
We took a little excursion to Albufera to see how where the rice is grown, and then we went to Tony's farm. Tony's farm. Don't know what it's called, and we got to make paella, and we got to see like how the paella is made, and it was pretty cool. We got to see some animals and
which you'll see in the video.
Yeah, just hung out there all day. And now we're back home. We're very tired. We took a nap. I slept right here. Very good nap. But yeah, I hope you enjoy.
Enjoy the vlog.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, bro.
What do I do? Just
Don't lean too far forward.
Yeah.
Do I just stick it at the bottom?
Yeah.
And then push back.
You have to use your you have to take like lay your hands like one onto the other so that when you push down, you know? Like that. Yeah. So you push back. You have to watch out. If you stick it too far in, it's hard to suck it out of the Look at all that. Yeah.
See that? Yummy.
Chocolate. Yeah.
Oh, yo.
The whole video. Dude, that's awesome.
Yeah, by the way, that's you can see it now because there's not as much fog. That's all. The City of Arts and Science.
Oh, that's wow. I was
Brown. Yeah.
That's better.
We look like we're like lost at sea or something.
Hi honey bunnies, welcome back to Maggie and Hanny's YouTube channel. I am a guest star today. Today we are working hard, working up a sweat because we're eating paella. As you can see, but we've got drinks.
Oh, dude, I'd love some.
We've got some little snackies, some peanuts. What are those again?
Those are beans.
Beans. All natural today. We are really on that clean girl diet.
Yes, we are. Do y'all have anything to say, Caroline? No. Do you have anything? No.
I'm so hungry.
We're starving. We literally are. Okay, Hannah, say bye, squad.
Bye.
Dramatic hair flip. Yo.
Hi guys, welcome back to Maggie and Hanny's YouTube channel. Today we are living the farm life. As many of you have seen Paris Hilton show, we're trying that for a day.
Oh, yes.
So here we are.
Do you want to explain the animals?
This is the animals. These are not penguins, you guys. I know it might be confusing. These are chickens.
Oh my gosh.
We're
Got some roosters. Got some donkeys. Hi, donkey. More roosters.
Look at this. Use the
Oh my gosh. That's adorable. You should put those in the photo circle.
Where did Hannah go?
She went to go see the donkey with Caroline.
You got it. You got it.
I want the other day.
I know.
Yeah, the door's open. So yeah, I think so. Aww.
La cadena le brilló en lo oscuro. Nay! It stomped its foot.
You're still trying to catch one?
Con mi burrito sabanero. Yeah, you know what I'm singing. Come on.
Oh.
Con mi burrito sabanero. Hola, corazón. You like my singing? I know you do. Thank you.
Are you giving a kiss? Oh my goodness.
I'm recording.
Oh my gosh, she's going in.
Get ready. Get your camera ready. Get your camera ready. You got it. You got it. It's the perfect opportunity. You got it.
Yeah.
Come on.
Catwalk? Is that what you're doing? Yes.
Nope. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He not happy with you? You got it. Oh. You gotta jump. You gotta just go for it.
We are back.
We're back again.
The outro.
Yeah, we're so good at this, guys.
We hope you all enjoyed today's little excursion
Yeah,
as much as we enjoyed it.
yeah.
It was a fun little day.
Get
Very
ready
interesting.
for more stuff coming soon, hopefully, if we're not doing absolutely nothing.
We're gonna do stuff.
Yeah,
We have made it a priority now to go explore.
yeah.
And we will get to the beach.
We will get to the beach. Yeah, that will happen.
I think the weather's getting better.
Hmm.
Don't know if that's true.
I agree.
But we will be out and about recording more stuff.
Yeah. Okay. Signing off. Peace.